pumpkin waffles. I kind of have like this pumpkin waffle maker that I wanted to show you all night.
Are you excited for pumpkin waffles and all the things fall and pumpkins?
Yep.
I'm so excited. Are you excited? Ooh! All right, let's make some pumpkin waffles.
Yeah.
Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Fit in Fall. You guys, as you saw earlier, we had a gorgeously cozy morning and made pumpkin pancakes, literally in the shape of pumpkins. How cute is that? Liv was so excited, and they were mini, so they were just her size. The cutest. And then we went to the pumpkin patch with some friends. It is so hot outside. We are dying. So we've actually got the dogs in here because it's been super hot outside. So they're hanging out with me today, which is so fun. But we just got back from the pumpkin patch, and because we had such a nice cozy morning this morning, I didn't get my workout in before Liv woke up. I got stuck in work. We got home from the pumpkin patch. I fed Liv. I've got a snack. I've got my favorite apple and peanut butter. So I'm going to snack on this, and I've got my water bottle that is never far from my side because I love this thing. What the plan is I'm going to eat my snack and work for just a couple minutes because I've got Liv situated with a craft, and so I only have limited time. But I want to get in my 30 minutes of movement because that is my goal for the rest of the year. If you guys have been following my channel, you know my goal this year is to just move my body for 30 minutes a day, whether it's a 30-minute walk, yoga, weighted workout, whatever it is. I just want to do 30 minutes of movement that feels good for me and my body. And yesterday I did a really heavy weight workout, and so it was a full body day, so I'm feeling it everywhere. So today I'm going to be doing 20 minutes of yoga and 10 minutes of abs because abs are the goal just in general. Stick around, we'll do some yoga and abs together. I'm gonna just make my own little ab circuit, so if you guys want to know that, stick around. I'm gonna be filming a little ab circuit for you guys. Quick 10 minutes, in and out, get it done. If this is content that you guys like to see, if you guys are wanting to stay fit in fall, these are just my healthy tips and tricks. This is what I'm doing to stay fit and healthy in my body and my mind through fall and into the holiday season. So if you guys are interested in that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll check in with you guys after I'm done eating this delicious apple and peanut butter. I am a dark roasted chunky Santa Cruz brand. What kind of peanut butter do you like? With a honey crisp apple. Perfection. That's our 10-minute ab circuit. Let me know what your favorite ab exercise is in the comments down below so I can incorporate it in my daily routine. Let's jump into some yoga. All right, you guys, so my fit fall tip for this video, you guys, I just want to leave you with this, is that I want you to find movement that you love, that you actually want to do. I feel like in the fall, we tend to get off track. We start eating more sugary recipes. We start doing pumpkin spice and everything nice, and like pumpkin spice lattes have so much sugar in them, and then all the pumpkin desserts and then the cookies and all the things start coming in. And so we get into almost like a mindset of like, well, I ate the cookie, so I might as well just do this. And it's like, or we give up our movement because, you know, what's the point? We ate this thing, and I want you to not think of it like, well, I ate this, so I'm punishing myself, or I ate this, so I've already ruined the day. Know that you can have a pumpkin spice latte, enjoy it, love it, and then continue on with your movement. Continue moving because it feels good. Continue moving because you actually enjoy it. Find something that you love to do. Is it going to a yoga class? Is it going for a walk? Is it lifting weights? Whatever it is for you that you love, do something that you love and just be consistent no matter what. Even on Thanksgiving, when it's like this big crazy day of eating all the food and doing all the things, still move your body. Plan ahead. Move your body because it makes you feel good. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to continue moving 30 minutes every single day, even on Thanksgiving, even on Christmas. It's just another day, and it's totally fine to take breaks. Like, I'm not saying never take a break, never have a rest day. For me, it's just finding movement, and movement that feels good in my body each and every day. And so today it was yoga and some abs. I hope you guys liked the ab exercises. That's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this cozy, fun, fit in fall video. And before you leave, it would mean the world to me if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I just want to keep growing and pushing these videos out to more people. If you have chronic pain and chronic illness, know that you are not alone. I see you, and you're doing a great job. Just do the best you can every day. That's all anybody can do. You're doing a great job. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yay! It's getting some unicorn too.